Hey guys, how's it? Michael here. Welcome back to another video and new haircut, by the way. And also, just as I saw in that intro, sometimes you probably want to watch a video, you probably want to play a game or on your console or probably on your laptop or probably on your PC, or you want to just watch a video, probably want to listen to a podcast, and then you come across a particular situation which is probably asking yourself, do I go with earpieces or do I go with headphones? Now the thing is, obviously this is a wired earpiece and this is the one that came with the PlayStation 4 console, and it goes directly into the PlayStation 4. By the way, these times have been really painful, seeing a lot of people moving from the PlayStation 4 to the PlayStation 5, and that's not really so. But anyway, this is a wired one, and this is also another wired one. The wire is in here, but it's probably somewhere around there. But this is a wired headphone, and you can also plug it into. You can put an SD card and listen to whatever audio content of the SD card, and you can charge it, all this kind of stuff, all that kind of thing. But it's not a wireless one, so you don't connect it via Bluetooth to your laptop or to your phone. And right now, I know a lot of people are probably tilting towards that wireless environment where your earpieces, your earbuds are probably wireless. Like Apple, when they started back when they released that, had an event about the iPhone 7, they took away the headphone jack, and they later on, a few minutes later, they introduced the AirPods, their new groundbreaking audio technology, audio accessory, which is wireless, and it connects to the iPhone 7 by just placing the case with the AirPods in them close to the iPhone, and the iPhone automatically recognizes it, and then it's connected. Blah blah blah. Apple is creating and strengthening the ecosystem, as you can see right now, even with HomePods and everything. But that's my side. That's my way. Yeah. So you have this guy and you have this guy. They are both wired, but I'm just going to be making a general comparison to see if I can help you guys answer the question of which do you take when you want to watch a video, when you want to play a game, when you want to get audio content directly to you. I want to feel really engrossed in that experience. I'm going to try and answer that question in this video. Let's get into it. I'm just going to actually focus on 3 areas. So the first I'm going to talk about is when you want to choose between earpieces or headphones, you might want to consider sound quality, which is what I was just saying right now. So sound quality. So sometimes you may probably want to, when you're watching a relaxing unboxing video from the relaxing end, which yes, I love the relaxing end and I watch his videos. No hate me for that, but I don't watch satisfying videos. Like, I don't sit down to watch satisfying videos like pressing on this. Okay, how do I anyway, so yeah, so you may want to consider sound quality. Okay, so how good would the audio of that video content sound when I place the headphones over my ears, or when I place these little small accessories within my ears? So how good would they sound? That's one thing we want to consider. The next thing we want to consider, which is number 2, is we want to consider, okay, how much of the audio am I getting as compared to the sound and noise around me? So some people actually want to use audio accessories. Okay, fine. Is it possible that I only hear what the audio part of this video, and the shots of everything around me? Maybe my sibling at one end of the room is making noise or is crying, a baby brother is crying, or my parents are in the living room talking and you can hear their voices, all that kind of stuff. You ask yourself, okay, So how much of the with this audio accessory, whether it's an earpiece or whether it's a headphone, how much will I get? Will I get more of the audio, like will it shut off the environment noise with the headphones, or will it shut it off more with earpieces? So, and that's when the whole idea of active noise cancellation coming. AirPods, yes, they have active noise cancellation. You know that AirPods have, as I'm making reference to AirPods because that's like number one, the number one, like number one wireless earpieces or earbuds in the world right now, which everybody probably knows about. If you don't know about, Apple released one back when they were revealing the iPhone 7. Anyway, but yeah, you know they have active noise cancellation, and they have a lot of other features that you get that helps you really get engrossed in what you're watching, what you're playing. But we also have some headphones which really better. For example, the Sony headphones I was talking about, the new ones, the WMHX something that came out this year, I think this year or whatever. That one actually shuts off more of the sound than it gives you more active noise cancellation. In fact, you have the ability on the Surface headphones too, you have the ability to turn up the levels, to reduce and increase the levels of active noise cancellation. So you may want to look at, okay, fine, when I want to choose a headphone, when I want to choose headphones over earpieces, will I get more active noise cancellation from headphones or from earpieces? So that's that's the second thing you want to consider. The third thing I'm going to talk about is your personal preference. So you know that everything has their ups and downs. So these headphones, for example, when I use headphones, if I use headphones for a very long time and I have them on my ears, like for example when I'm watching and I'm actually listening to, when I'm actually using headphones, as soon as I place it on my ears, everything around me, like my voice sounds, I can't really hear my voice the way you will hear my voice. Everything just drops, and then when I take it off, everything rises back up and I hear every other thing. So these do a good job. So but because of that seclusion from everything around me, if I use it for a very long time, I tend to get headaches, or I have gotten a headache before. But you may, as a person, your personal preference, you as a person may have the person, you'll choose these guys over earpieces because, okay, you probably never get headaches. Maybe, like for example, you're a hardcore streamer like TP or Symphony who stream for like 8 hours, 10 hours straight, and they have headphones on and they're listening the sound around them, and they're not having any form of problems. You know, you may be that guy. I don't know. You probably just watch it. But if you're a guy who wants to erase a lot of, you don't want headaches, you just want the audio to you just want a bit of seclusion from the environment, just a bit of noise cancellation here and there, you may actually want to go for earpiece. So yeah, in this video I've spoken about three things. One, you may want to consider sound quality. You may want to consider more of how much of the audio would you get yourself from the video, from the game you're playing, and you may also want to consider your personal preference. So I know many people for example, you want to probably watch a video, you probably just want to watch it and go, so you may not consider all this. But if you're a person who is watching like 3 hours, 10 hours of video content in a day, you may want to really consider things I said in this video. But anyway, that's been it. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and yeah, I make the unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy A11, which I'm using to record this video right now, can be seen right here, and the review of the phone can be seen right here. It's a banger, you should watch it, it's really nice. And also subscribe if you haven't. I make Christian content right here, so yeah, I know it's to bless your life, and I'll see you guys very soon in another video. Thanks for watching. Peace.